Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Waleed Sheikh. I am a peace agent of Salamti Fellowship by Peace Without Borders. I came here because a friend recommended me, and they said that this is a life-changing experience, and I never believe in things like a life-changing experience until I'm proven wrong. And I'd like to admit that I was proven wrong. I've had a lot of experiences in my life. I roam around the country, I have travel experiences, I have tons of friends. But if I rate this as one of the top 3 best experiences of my life, I would not be lying. I'd like to recommend to all the people who cannot focus in their life, who have goals in their life but they do not know how to define them, who think that they want to bring a certain change in the society, who think that they can become agents of peace, agents of prosperity, agents of progress. I would like to recommend to those people that you must apply for this fellowship. Just in case you do not get selected, it's still not the end. You can still play your part, and you should. But I'd highly recommend that if you come through this channel, then a person like me who was self-confident that I have my things under my control, and someone who loved to believe that I can change a lot of things on my own, I think that I've been proven wrong. I think that Salamti Fellowship and its team, the wonderful job that they have done, they'll not only teach you the importance of peace, they'll not only teach you how to bring harmony in the society. It will not just be lectures and sessions by some of the finest speakers of the country. You'll witness around you that this team is probably one of the finest management team that I have witnessed. These people are committed to their cause. Every single person, the one who arranges food, the one who holds the camera, the one who's sitting behind the camera right now, as I would love to say, he is one of my best friends as well. And the people who are managing it, I never thought that someone would be able to make me sit down in a half lotus position, ask me to close my eyes and imagine that I'm going up in the sky, coming down from the sky, there are energies coming around from the mountains, and you think that this is a utopian thing that you're talking about. But I did feel great. I did feel a lot of positive change in my life, and I would love to see, though we are competitive, we do not usually want to share the best things that we have had in our life with others. But I think if 30 and here people go through this program, I'd have loved to see more than 300 people per year. I'm for sure, I think that in the next 5 years, 10 years, at least the people who have gone through this program, they'll find their focus, they'll find a better direction in life, they'll find more peace, and probably they'll find few of the best mentors, few of the best people that they have met in their life, few of the best friends that they have made. We were all cooperative with each other. We loved each other in this short span of 6 days, and at times it is said, it is believed to be true that if you travel with people, share food with them or do business with them, you get to know how they are. I think I've traveled with these people. We have lived without the most important resource of our life. Our cell phones were not with us, and we did not die, contrary to the popular belief. We were told to go and sleep at 10 at night. I sleep at 4 usually. I did fall asleep at 10:30 most of the days. So I believe that the kind of impact that this particular fellowship has had on my life, if we go through this program, some of us, and then some more of us, I do not see any way that this country will not progress. I do not see that we will not be able to bring the change that we want to. I was engaged in a lot of projects I could not focus on, but now I know my direction, what I have to do. I know that chaos will not encircle me anymore. I hope so. I know that I found a lot of positive direction in my life, and I'd not name a particular speaker because all of them were the finest that I've met. We were allowed to disagree with these major minds of the country, and we were under a team that I loved to be controlled by, because I've been living in freedom for a very long time. It was good to hear some people telling you to submit your phone, go back to your room and wake up in the morning. 6 a.m. every day, 6:30 meditation, and then even though our backs were breaking because of sitting on the floor and listening to long sessions, we loved it. I do not want to go back, I'll be honest with you, but I have to, because otherwise they'll kick me out obviously. But the rest of you, you should also get into this and be kicked out 7 days later. because you'll be kicked out a better person. Thank you very much.